body bon bon bon, your body kakara, make a bon bon bon, on a make it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, if you're new here, my name is Natia YE. I go by Beauty Rebellion, and if you're not new, welcome back, Rebels. Today's tutorial is all about this wig that I'm wearing from UNiceHair company. Y'all, I'm about to put y'all on. This wig is a game changer, okay? The wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, baby hair is already added. All I had to do was put the wig on, literally add some curls, add a little bit of hairspray on the baby hairs, not even on the lace, y'all. Look at this. The wig is not even glued down and it looked like this, like completely glueless, guys. I'm telling y'all, this is a game changer. So if you're interested in learning all about this wig and seeing how I installed it, just keep on watching. So guys, the wig that I'll be reviewing for you guys today is from UNiceHair company. They actually sent me over their Bye Bye Knots wig. So meaning the wig is completely glueless. The knots are bleached already for you, so it saves you a lot of time. Already pre-plucked, and if you can't see it through the packaging, y'all, it comes with baby hairs already on it. Saves you so much time. Literally, you're supposed to be able to put it on without having to do anything, like right out of the box. So let's go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box. It comes with an elastic band on the back, and the elastic band has this grip on it, so it will keep the elastic band in place and keep it from moving. Also, the bottom of the wig has the grip on it as well, so once you put the wig on, it's not going nowhere. So we should be able to wear this wig completely glueless. The wig comes with the lace already cut for you. Literally the easiest wig ever. So this wig is 24 inches and the texture is body wave. It is a 7x5 closure wig. We love that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this wig on. So this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. First impression, guys, the hair is super full. This wig is 180% density, and it definitely is given about 200% with the fullness, so that is a plus. Another thing is the parting space on this wig is not straight, so we will have to fix that and also make the top of the wig a little bit flatter. But other than that, guys, I love that the baby hairs are already on there for me. They look really good and they're in a nice space. I know I tried a Bye Bye Knots wig on my channel before, and I didn't like that the baby hairs were so close together. So I am gonna give this wig a plus, maybe like 3 or 4, because the baby hairs are in like a nice space. So let's go ahead and fix that parting space first, and then we'll get into styling the wig. Now that I've found the middle of my head, I'm just gonna take my wax stick just to lay that hair down in place. like I said, I do like the placement of the baby hairs already. So what I'm gonna do is just take my Fantasia liquid mousse spritz, and I'm just gonna spray that on the baby hairs. I want this to be a glueless install, so I'm not gonna use any glue or adhesives. This is the only spray that I'm gonna use for this install. Go ahead and spray that on there, and then just take my comb and spread them out a little bit. And Unice always sends a edge band in the package with your wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my edge band that they sent me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tie down my lace so that it can really melt into my scalp while I get the rest of my hair together. So now guys, it's time to get into hair. I am most definitely going to curl this hair. I'm just combing through it. As you guys can see, this hair is super full. Like 180% density wear. It's given 200, 250. I love a full wig, so I'm definitely impressed with this. If you're not good with styling and you like this look, you could definitely leave it like this. But for me, I like to curl my wig. I don't really like to keep the curl pattern that it comes with. It's just a preference thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and start curling my hair. I'm gonna start from the back, and then I'm gonna work my way up to the front. Y'all, right here, my playlist was popping. My Afrobeats playlist is so fire, y'all. I'm sorry I could not play it in the video because I do not want to get copyright, but just know that I was jamming, okay? I can definitely add my playlist to my Instagram story highlights if you guys are interested. Let me know if you guys want the Afrobeats playlist because I will give it to you guys. I be jamming. Okay, now back to the video. getting it as flat as I can. Let's go ahead and take that band off and see how the lace is looking. Literally looks so bomb. It looks like I took forever on my lace, but I really didn't. So I'm gonna run my fingers through the curls. And just to give the hair a little bit more body, guys, I'm gonna add a few layers to the front and the sides of the hair. Look at this side compared to this side. It gives way more body, guys. So, like I say in all my videos, do not be afraid to cut layers into your hair, especially if you're gonna do like a body wave or a curly look. It just makes it look so much better. Y'all, look at those curls. So pretty. Like, the top of this down one more time because I want it to be super flat. Guys, this is the finished look. It literally took me about 20 minutes to do this style. I am absolutely obsessed. I did not have to do anything to the lace. It came like this. I didn't pluck it. I didn't bleach it. Nothing. You guys seen the whole process from start to finish. Right out of the box. I took it out. I put it on. Baby hairs were already laid. Lace was already bleached, already plucked for me. All I had to do was curl the hair, get the top of the hair nice and flat, add some layers to it, and bam, all done. So guys, if you're interested in purchasing this wig, all the details to this wig as well as UNice Hair Company's wig website will be down below in my description box. Make sure you check it out. Leave me some feedback down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooch.
Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a phone, make a key for the phone, phone, phone.